Hiker was started by two gentlemen, one in Colorado, one here in Indiana, a little over 10 years ago.
Okay.
And they started as enthusiasts and hobbyists and just kind of came up with the design and the model together and started building them in tandem. Our parent company, we actually started building the frames for these for the Indiana gentleman about 5 years ago.
Okay.
And there were just so many orders. He had asked us if, hey, do you think you could help me catch up on some orders and build a couple of units for us? Yeah. Obviously, we've been in manufacturing for almost 100 years in one form or another. So we said, sure, we'll take a crack at it. And we kind of fell in love with it. Our company president and our owners are kind of outdoor enthusiasts themselves. Awesome. But they always come from like the steel industry, the manufacturing industry, which to me isn't always the most fun, because you're building 10,000 of the same part over and over.
Fair.
Whereas the custom camper market, this is unique, right? We get to play, we get to experiment, we get to work with customers directly.
Not to jump off the rails too much, but is this one of your guys' too?
It is, yeah. These are some of our new models.
That's cool.
So,
very
yeah,
cool.
we can definitely do a full walkthrough of the
Yeah,
newer
we'll come
models
back. We'll
too.
come back to that. Sorry, I got you off trails. I got my eye.
This has always been kind of the passion project of our owners now.
Yep.
Expanding this into kind of the market that we are. And I think, over the last 5 years since we've been managing and designing and overhauling Hiker as a product and as a brand, we've quickly become one of the larger trailer manufacturers that sell direct to consumer in the United States. We have 7 locations nationwide right now that act as either a remote showroom or a dealership where people can check out or order our trailers.
Nice.
And then we're going to have 2 more opening before the end of the year, because really we want to try to put a trusted partner within a few hours of everybody.
Yeah.
That way, if you need maintenance or if you want to get some add-ons or you have questions or you just want to see when it's, perfect solution.
Nice. Absolutely. That's always, accessibility is very important.
Right.
If you only have one location, you can't expect to service the whole country.